Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the serial. You may have seen this thing on the top right corner, and you might not have known what it was. That is the serial monitor. It has many uses, and in this case, we're just going to go over a few. The serial monitor can be quite advanced at times, but for the most part, it's very simple. So now let's get started coding. So we're going to do capital S, and then we're going to write serial dot begin, and then we're going to do two parentheses, and then after that we're going to do 9600. And then now we're going to put our coding period. There. Now we basically are telling the Arduino that we want the serial to open up. So now we're going to write serial dot print line, and then we can write whatever we want. But in this is basically saying to the serial that we're going to print onto the serial one line, which is, we put our quotation marks, and then we're going to write, hello, I am the coding kid. You can write whatever you want. I'm just going to write that. I'm going to put the semicolon at the end. And basically, we have our first program or serial. I have my Arduino plugged in, so then I'm going to upload it. And then we're going to wait, and then it shows this. This should work with the Arduino web editor, but I'm not completely sure. So, but now you can see that we have a bunch of lines of here. Well, you might not want that. Well, the reason for that is because we put it in a loop. So it's just going to keep on and forever until we stop the program running this program. But say we don't want it. We only want to go once. Actually, we can put it in the setup. So we can write serial dot print line. Then we can do quotation marks. Oops, sorry. We can do some quotation marks, and then we can write whatever we want. So I'm going to write I am the coding kid, and then we put our coding period. Now, as you'll see, it's going to be just one line of code. We wait a little bit, and boom, this is hi, I'm the coding kid. So now we're going to use variables and constants that we learned in the last video to use this to use it in the serial. So we're going to write integer, which is other words for a number. We can name it whatever we want. I'm going to name it A, which is equal to any number you want. I'm going to do, like, say 769. I'm going to put the semicolon, and then I'm going to do integer because we're going to do another number. B, I'm just going to make that equal to, let's see, 1098, I mean. And now we're going to make one more integer, which is equal to C, and we're going to do something unexpected. You might not have known that programming is every programming language is a built-in calculator. It's as smart as you could want it to be. We can write 769, we can do an asterisk, which is other words for times, and we could do 1098. That's a pretty big number, and I would think it's really hard to write out. So I'm just going to do plus. Put our coding period, and then enter. Now we're going to do serial dot print line, put those two parentheses, and then put quotation marks. And we're going to actually, we don't need to put quotation marks. Then we can just write C, put our coding period, and boom, we wrote a serial program with variables and the serial. So let's upload it quickly, go into the serial monitor, wait, and it gives us 1098 plus 769. Amazing, right? You can have a calculator with programming. This can be used for so much more, but that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Smash that like button And as always, subscribe.